Hey guys, Alex, Field UTV here. Today I want to talk about Trinity Racing's new Apex side view and rear view mirror. Hey guys, so this is Trinity Racing's new Apex side view mirror. Awesome because of its breakaway design and slim clamp. Let's get it on. Well, we got the side view mirrors installed. Now it's time for the rear view Apex mirror from Trinity. Well, there you have it. Trinity Racing Apex side view and rear view mirror. You need a set? Give us a call. Thank you for watching.